Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand role and role hierarchy in Salesforce. If you are learning Salesforce admin or developer or you are a beginner for Salesforce, this concept is very important to you because it helps to control record visibility inside an organization. So in this tutorial, we are going to cover what are the roles in Salesforce, difference between roles and profiles, what is role hierarchy, how to create role hierarchy with one small example, some example for real-time role hierarchy. First, we need to start with what are the roles in Salesforce. In Salesforce, roles controls record level access based on hierarchy. Roles defines who can see whose record in an organization. For example, consider there is a sales team, sales manager. In below sales manager, there is a sales executive. In below sales executive, there is a sales intern. The manager can see the records owned by executive and interns. The executive can see the records owned by interns. The intern cannot see the records owned by manager or executive. This is we call it as role hierarchy. In here, we need to remember one point, that is, roles do not control permissions like create, edit or delete. They control only record visibility. So then what are the difference between roles and profiles? Many beginners get confused between profiles and roles. I will explain simply way. Profiles controls object permissions, field level security, app access, login hours, system permissions. But roles controls record visibility, data access based on hierarchy. For simple formula, profiles controls what user can do. Roles controls what records a user can see. So then what is role hierarchy? Role hierarchy is a tree-like structure in Salesforce that defines data access level within an organization. User at higher level can view records owned by users below them in the hierarchy. For example, so I will go with an example. It will more easier to understand. Currently, I have an image like this, sales organization hierarchy. So currently, we have some different types of roles. One is CEO, second one is sales director, third one is sales manager, fourth one is sales executive. So in here, at the top, we have a CEO, Chief Executive Officer. He has the full visibility across the entire company. Means he can view all the records, which is including sales director, sales manager, sales executive. So in below CEO, we have a sales director. You can see the managers, sales managers and executive records. So then below sales director, we have a sales manager. Sales manager can see only the sales executive records. Sales executive see only their own records. So this is the structure. So based on this structure, the role hierarchy works. Then how to create that? So first we need to go to roles. Currently I am in my roles. So in here I have a company name like Fingertip Plus. Below that I have a CEO. Using this image only I will create the same role hierarchy in here. So currently I have a company name like Fingertip Plus. So in that Fingertip Plus below we have a CEO. So currently we have a CEO. So then we need to create sales director. So I will create one role like sales director in below CEO. I have a CEO option. I need to create one role under the CEO. So that's why I just click on here. So what is our role name? Sales. Our role name is sales director. So sales director reports to CEO because in our role hierarchy, sales director is reports to CEO. So then click on save. So once you save, you just again go back to that roles. So just I will click on expand all. So in here I have other roles also. I don't disturb any other. So what happened? In under the CEO, we created one sales director. Under the sales director, we need to create one more role, that is sales manager. So I will create now. So how to create? Just go to sales manager. In here below we have one option like add role. Just click on that. So just click on sales manager, then click on save. So once it's saved, you just to go to again roles. You can see CEO. Under CEO, we have a sales director. Under the sales director, we have a sales manager. So then what we need to do? We need to create sales executives under the sales manager. So then how to create? So just go to sales manager and below we have a one option like add role. Just click on that. Click on sales executive. Then click on save. So now what happened? Our structure is ready. Means under the organization we have a CEO. Under the CEO we have a sales director. Under the sales director we have a sales manager. Under the sales manager we have a sales executive. So sales executive report to sales manager report to sales director report to CEO. So this is how the role hierarchy works. I implemented same thing without disturbing existing roles. So when actually roles are commonly used in situations like sales time management, opportunity visibility, account ownership hierarchy, management reporting, data sharing within the teams. So in this video, we learned what are roles in Salesforce, difference between profiles and roles, what are the role hierarchies, how to create a sample roles, some real-time example. So I hope you understand these entire things. Thank you for watching.